Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Dodge Caravan GT Wagon. The exterior color is black onyx, and under the hood we have a 3.6-liter engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights, fog lights, and an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Yokohama. We also have color-matched handles and mirror caps. This pre-owned 2020 Dodge Caravan also comes with remote start and keyless entry. At the rear we have embedded defroster with wiper, power lift gate, and rear camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior we have driver-friendly features such as power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and door storage. As we move into the cabin, you will see we have black leather seating with our adjustments on the side, including lumbar support. Over at our steering column, we have headlamp settings. We have a heated tilt steering wheel with our media and hands-free options to the left and our cruise control options to the right. Looking above, we have our cabin lighting, our rear view mirror, as well as our power lift gate release button. Looking forward, you can see that this pre-owned 2020 Dodge Caravan has 44,494 kilometers. As we look ahead at our center face, you can see that there are many options available, such as radio, media, menu, audio, my files, as well as a variety of settings. This unit also comes with Sirius XM radio. Just below we have our dual climate control area, which provides heating and air conditioning to the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both driver and passenger to enjoy. Our middle console offers dual cup holders and a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers have power windows and door storage. Our bucket seating allows for a ton of legroom and headspace, also providing easy access to our second row seating. If you have any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Dodge Caravan, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.